I can do it with my eyes open. 18th March is celebrated as World Sleep Day. It is an annual event intended to create awareness on sleep. It is organized by World Sleep Society. Why was Sleep Day created? Sleep Day was created when sleep medicine professionals came up with the belief that sleeping is not so important for personal health. The length of the sleep must be continuous for the sleeper. It should be seamless. On an average, kids up to the age of 18 years must have 8 to 10 continuous hours of sleep. Adults must sleep for 7 continuous hours. The best time to sleep would be from midnight to morning 7 am. This may vary from person to person, but have healthy sleep. Regularly having too little sleep is linked to different health ailments. But did you all know sleeping too much is also problematic? Yes, sleeping too much may lead to different health diseases like type 2 diabetes, anxiety, depression, and many more. Reduce the stress and anxiety, and the sleep will automatically improve. This will also help us to improve our memory. I have a small healthy tip for you. It's quite funny. When you have nothing to do right, go to bed and have sweet dreams. Thank you for watching.